Have you ever wondered how the cow's milk you drink is produced? Does any cow produce milk? Cows can bring economic benefits to farmers, and partly because cows can also bring other spiritual benefits to farmers. In today's video, YCfee will bring you the most realistic and clear image of the dairy farming process. Let's get started. Overview of dairy farm. Dairy farms play an important role in agriculture and provide essential food sources for humans. A modern dairy farm is not only a place to raise and care for dairy cows, but also a complex system of many management and technical activities. Dairy farms are typically designed and operated to optimize milk production, ensure the health of the cows, and protect the surrounding environment. Factors such as geographic location, farm size, and management methods all greatly influence efficiency and product quality. Each dairy farm is different depending on the natural and economic conditions of the area. Large farms often apply modern technology and have professional management processes. While smaller farms may focus on a manual and personalized approach to care for each cow, the process of caring for and raising dairy cows. Each stage in a dairy cow's life requires special care to ensure optimal health and milk production. Starting as calves, dairy cows need to be fed high-quality sow milk or milk replacer to grow healthy. They are then switched to a weaning diet of grass, compound feed, and grains to provide adequate nutrition. Dairy cow diets are adjusted according to each stage of development and milk yield. Dairy cows need a diet rich in energy, protein, minerals, and vitamins to maintain health and produce milk efficiently. Dairy cow feed typically includes grass, hay, grain, and prepared mixed feeds. Providing clean and sufficient drinking water is also an important factor in helping dairy cows maintain health and high productivity. Cattle herds need regular health checks to detect disease problems early and treat them promptly. Common diseases in dairy cows include mastitis, diarrhea, and respiratory problems. In addition, vaccination and regular use of deworming medications are also important preventive measures. In addition, the cow's living environment needs to be kept clean, cool, and dry to limit the risk of disease. Technology and equipment used on the farm. Large farms often invest in automation and smart management systems to optimize processes from care, milking to milk processing and storage. Automatic milking systems are one of the most commonly used advanced technologies, helping to reduce labor and increase milking productivity. This system is often equipped with sensors and management software to monitor the health and milk production of each cow. Sensors worn on cows' necks or legs can monitor metrics such as heart rate, body temperature, and daily activity, providing vital data that helps managers detect health problems early. Milk after being milked from the cow needs to be cooled quickly to prevent bacterial growth and maintain freshness. Modern farms often use refrigerated tanks and automated milk transfer systems to ensure this process is quick and efficient. Sterilization and packaging technology is also applied to ensure that milk meets food safety standards before reaching consumers. The difference between dairy cows and beef cattle. The difference between dairy cows and beef cattle can also be seen based on their names. Unlike dairy cows, which have a slim body and more developed udders, beef cattle have a larger and more muscular body. The diets of dairy cows and beef cattle are also different. Dairy cows need to be provided with a lot of nutrients, rich in protein to increase milk production, while beef cattle mainly need a comfortable living environment and a reasonable diet to optimize growth and meat quality. Nutritional benefits of cow's milk. Cow's milk is a rich and diverse source of nutrition, bringing many benefits to human health. First, cow's milk provides a large amount of calcium, an essential mineral for the development and maintenance of strong bones and teeth, and cow's milk is also rich in high-quality protein, which is necessary for muscle growth. Vitamin D in milk helps increase calcium absorption, along with B vitamins such as B12 and riboflavin, which support energy metabolism and maintain a healthy nervous system. Cow's milk also provides essential fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. Summary. Through this video, we hope you have a better understanding of the work behind each delicious glass of milk that we enjoy every day. We have seen that from care, nurturing, to using modern technology, all require dedication and high expertise from farmers. Dairy cows not only bring economic benefits, but also contribute significantly to public health with the excellent nutritional values of milk. Thank you for watching today's YCfee video about the dairy farming process. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YCfee channel so you don't miss other interesting and useful videos. See you in the next videos.